Let's be honest, Diablo 3 Reaper of Souls is indeed a calculation discipline system. What did I just say?
The Lord of Hell!
Well, first of all, it is actually a calculation system. In calculation, we count real-world objects with virtual numbers. Just like this apple. Let's put another one and call them 2 apples. Diablo 3 Reaper of Souls is based on how many good items you have and how much necessary stats you have. So it is calculation by technical means, and also the game engine counts items and stats, Diablo world objects, with virtual numbers. And also, counting to infinity will take some discipline though. I mean a lot. So by spiritual means, we need a lot of motivation to hold on to our discipline and beat this infinite wave of demons called Greater Nephilim Rifts. Some of us have a lot of discipline to take place in seasonal Greater Rift scoreboard. In this free course, I will teach you the very basics of Diablo 3 Reaper of Souls. For absolute beginners, you will get the information to start right from the beginning. For a bit advanced players, just to get the information to speed their seasonal progression up, I will be here to help you. For complete beginners, I covered from the very beginning of the game. That includes story mode progression as well. For a bit experienced ones though, you will get a seasonal grind perspective to push the rifts easier. This course is dedicated only to Necromancer character, so make sure you have the Necromancer pack. I will explain all Necromancer item set bonuses and related legendary item combinations. While all you need to do is watch my preview videos to ensure that this course is for you. Or just simply enroll because it is free for everyone. I'll see you guys in the next lecture.
The Lord of Hell!